Hi there, it's Manal from miniscraftboutique. Thank you for watching my video today. Today is the fourth project of my 6x6 series, only three more to go. And today is an interesting one. Today we are going to make this cute little gift bag, and it has the opening at the top closed with a ribbon. I have just punched one hole and fed the ribbon through, but you can punch two holes and make it in the form of regular gift bags as well. This one particularly I made for a challenge for the Stinking Inkers blog, and the theme for this month of November was to incorporate quilting into your project in any way. So I went ahead and cut out 2 inches squares in two different patterns of the same collection from MIU Creations, and that was the mini picnic one. It was a digital collection. So I cut 2 inches squares and have pasted them diagonally, or you can say in diamond orientation, and then I have used the stamp of a sewing machine, and I have used the sentiment "You are so wonderful," and both of these are from the his and hers collection. And over here you can see they are these are the ones that I have used. So the finished dimensions of this gift bag are 4.5 by 4 by 1.5 inches. It's pretty simple to make, nothing difficult at all. And for this you are going to need two pieces of 6 by 6 inches pattern paper or cardstock, whatever you wish to make it from. And you are going to cut I cut 12 by 6 inches into 2 of 6 by 6 inches. And when you are cutting and then scoring, then make sure that your pattern is aligned or is the right way up. And if it's not directional, then it doesn't matter whatever side you may use. So now, okay, I have already gone ahead and scored on one of these papers, and on the second one I'm going to show you. So for this one, you are going to score it in the direction of the pattern upwards, or in the right alignment, or the pattern facing upwards. You're going to score on one side at 1.5 and then at 5.5, and then you rotate it so that your pattern faces your right hand side now, and you're going to score it at 1.5. Now flip it again in the way that you had scored in before, and you are going to score it at 3.25 inches up to 3 inches from here. All right, the purpose of this score line is to have a smooth fold or crease over here. If you see closely, I hadn't scored this one in the middle, and that's why my cardstock has actually cracked at some places, and it's not giving a finished look. So to avoid this, I have scored at 3.25 inches. Okay, so this was the scoring that needed to be done, and now we are going to fold on these score lines. Do not fold on this 3.25 inch score line for now. Okay, you just fold all of these. These pouches are great for birthday gifts, birthday favors, and bridal showers. So over here, let me first just show you. You can see this you can see this small part. Okay, you're going to take off all of it. Okay, and you are going to cut on this score line for both the pieces, and I'm also going to take a little bit off of from this end as well, and this end as well. So I'm going to cut diagonally on this side and over here, and just a straight cut from this side. All right, so I'll grab my smaller scissors and I'm going to cut it up over here. If you wish, you can take a wedge off from these side squares, both sides, like this. Okay, so this one, like so. It's always better to cut at angles because it doesn't give bulk to your bag. I'm going to do the same on this one as well. Now the little triangle, I'm going to take all of it out. And then again here as well. Alright, so that's the bit of the cutting that we need to do. Now this 1/2 inch tab is going to be adhered to this 1.5 inch tab of the other paper. So grab your glue or your tape, whatever you want to stick your bag with, and just run it on this 1/2 inch tab. Make sure that whatever you use, you run it closer to the score line, okay, as I am doing. So take the other piece and just line it up. Make sure the tops are aligned. All right, once the top is aligned, the base is going to automatically align itself. Okay, now just do this on the other 1/2 inch tab as well, and bring this 1.5 inch piece upwards and just press it. For this bag particularly, it doesn't matter which side you want to make the front or back, because the seam is on the both sides. So I am going to make this one as the front of the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this inside, grab my glue and put glue over here, then just fold in the sides and then fold the final part, and with your ruler or anything else that can go inside, just give it a good press so that it's all well attached. Now here comes the role of these 3 1/4 inch score lines. You're just going to pinch it like this and it's automatically going to take its shape. Now I hope you can see the difference in the neatness of both the boxes, right? So this was the purpose of creating that extra score line. Now I'm going to punch a hole in the middle of the box, and I have just eyeballed the center, and using my black satin ribbon I am going to just push it through the hole. So cut off the extra bit, just bring it up, tie a knot, then a bow, and your box is ready. See, it's very simple. To embellish the box, I'm going to use a sentiment just for you, and I'm going to stamp it on a scrap piece of paper. It hasn't given the right result, so I'm going to stamp it again. Yes, it's better now. And Just going to punch this out. With the double-sided foam tape, just a tiny bit of it, I am going to attach this on the bag. Like this. Okay, so here we have two of our gift bags, both of them made out of 6x6 papers, one out of cardstock and one out of pattern paper, both of them giving a really pretty look. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's video, and I will be posting 3 more projects for my 6x6 series. They are also very interesting and make pretty little gifts for everyone. So thanks for watching. Bye.